Okay, this classic review is of the RCA Scan-Aire with an E, model 16S400. It's a 4-band scanner that covers VHF low of 30 to 50 megahertz, VHF high of 150 to 174 megahertz, UHF of 450 to 470 megahertz, and the UHF T-band of 471 to 512 megahertz. It's capable of 10 channels with a selectable scan rate of either 10 or 20 channels per second. Now obviously it scans, but you can also put it in manual mode and select the channel you want. You can also lock out any specific channel as wanted or needed. Now the scan delay on this is adjustable between 0 and 4 seconds. I like the 4 seconds. The built-in speaker is loud, man. It can deliver 96 decibels, which you'll see at the end of this review. And it's great for a high noise environment. The audio output is rated at 2 watts into a decent sized and decent sounding speaker, but it also has a jack for an external speaker if you want to use one. It has separate antenna jacks for VHF and UHF. And it also works on 12 volts for automotive installs or 120 volts if you want to use it inside the home. Now, this older radio is best suited, just for your favorite frequencies, but it's very sensitive. I mean, this thing receives better than my 800 XLT or my modern Uniden SDS 100, which really blew me away, to say the least. Of course, this classic scanner only receives analog transmissions, so it might not be suited for everyone in every location. I live in a rural area, so 90% of everything I listen to is still in analog, so it works for me. Now, once everything is set, this scanner works quite well with a remote switch, so you can turn it on or off from across the room or the other end of the house. Anyway, that's my review.
Central 851.
851.
851, UABLS, Station Straight, Providence.
851 BLS Providence 1543.